Okay, so you have to swallow like you're eating something. Okay, so everyone should know this challenge is the cinnamon challenge. So
Alyssa made me do it 3 times.
I've done this twice.
I've done this 3 times.
Okay, ready?
Emily, don't
Once, like you're eating, like just try swallowing it, like you're eating something. 1, 2, 3, go. Water!
It's right here. Look at her mouth. It's so gross. Don't spit it on me. Oh, that's plenty of light. Just kidding.
Chase! You're the stupidest dog alive! At least I smell better!
No, it does not taste like garlic and toothpaste. He won't smell better.
Do you want to do the garlic and toothpaste challenge again?
That's gross. And shit just came out of your mouth.
I know.
That